Now, just like a lot of people today, I want to get solar panels to be an active contributor to the global shift towards a greener world. But I can't help but think, is it too good to be true? Sure, solar panels are advertised as lasting up to 25 years, but if they get damaged, maybe I should be worried that my investment has failed. So today, I'm going to investigate whether damage to my solar system can be claimed through my home insurance. If you're scared of a strong storm, hail, or someone throwing something on your solar panels, the truth is there is no need to fear, because the great news is that your home or business insurance can provide coverage for it. By adding your solar panel system to your existing home and contents insurance policy or building insurance policy, your system is covered for external damage, like a windstorm throwing a big branch onto the system and breaking panels. Insurers consider solar panels a permanent building fixture, which makes them eligible to be covered under your home insurance policy. So, it's crucial to add your solar panels as an asset. You'll not only be protecting your investment, but also streamlining the claims process in case of any damage. Our best advice is to snap some photos of your system soon after installation and store them with the PV installer paperwork and warranties in a secure place. This way, you'll have all the necessary information if you ever need to make a claim. And the best part? Adding your solar panel system to your insurance policy may not even increase your premiums. Some insurance companies don't raise their premiums at all. I know, right? Don't let the fear of damage hold you back from harnessing the power of the sun and making a positive impact on the environment. Now, let's talk about what kind of damage is not covered. If your panels aren't producing the expected power output, this isn't considered as a covered damage by the home insurance. Instead, this falls under the performance warranty. However, if your solar panels experience physical or electrical problems, your insurance may come to your rescue. But if these damages occur due to improper installation, the blame shifts to the installation company. It's important to remember that normal wear and tear over time, such as panels getting covered with dust, leaves, or branches, and then producing less electricity, are not covered by insurance. This is why it's vital to keep your solar panel system in top shape through regular maintenance to minimize any potential issues. When it comes to batteries, it is good to have them installed in protected places like the garage. The most likely battery-related insurance claim could be flooding of the garage or a lightning strike, which, let's be honest, is pretty unlikely. All other fault-related matters usually involve a warranty claim to the manufacturer. So there you go. Now it's clear that if I get solar panels, I can have peace of mind that in the case of an unfortunate accident, my solar and battery components are going to be well and truly protected through my home insurance and my warranties. Here's hoping there's no accidents. Stay safe, folks.
Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.